Hi, this is Matt Harris with RipCut Design. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the RipCut Trainer Desk. First, let's lay out all the parts so we can easily fit them together. Our trainer desk is height adjustable, so we'll start by determining the best height for your bike setup. With your bike mounted to its trainer, we'll assemble one side of the desk. Start by placing the floor cross brace into one of the lower legs. The legs have engraved logos which should face outward. Next, holding one of the upper legs, slide the X cross brace into the holes, then pass the ends of the cross brace through the matching holes in the lower legs. Determine the height you want the desk at by moving the upper legs up or down until the most forward part of the upper leg is just at or above the level of your handlebars. Now you are ready to assemble the rest of the desk. Place two of the removable pins into the ends of the X cross brace to keep the legs attached. Slide the one assembled leg out of the floor cross brace. Now slide the water bottle holder into the assembled upper leg. Remember, the upper legs both will reside on the inside of the lower legs. Now attach the second leg by sliding the second upper leg into both the water bottle holder and the X cross brace. Attach the second lower leg by also sliding it onto the X cross brace, and then place two more removable pins. Slide both lower legs back onto the floor cross brace. Attach the shoe rack and bottle backstop by sliding it into its slots. Now determine the configuration of your desktop. If you plan to use a laptop, place the longer desk ledge into the upper holes and flip the desktop over. Slide into the rear slots and guide the desk ledge into its slots, which prevent the desktop from sliding out inadvertently. The short ledge can be placed in the lower desktop holes to keep the laptop from sliding back when you touch it. If you plan on using the tablet and phone or book mode, simply lift and pull the desktop back towards you. Place both ledges on the same side facing you and slide the desktop into the forward slots. The upper ledge can be removed and replaced with the book holder ledge. Now we'll slide the fan shelf in from the back. The power supply can be installed by feeding the cord through the large hole and resting the supply on the shelf. There's no need to fasten the power supply, but if desired, you can pre-drill two holes and use 1/2-inch wood screws in the pre-formed holes. We don't recommend this as it adds an unnecessary step and makes disassembly more time-consuming. Lastly, place each fan on the shelf and secure them with the Velcro straps. Adjust the fans to face your head and chest. Plug them into the power supply along with your laptop or USB cords. There are multiple holes and slots to keep them organized. Your desk is now ready to use. If you have any questions, visit ripcutdesk.com or send an email to matheson@ripcutdesign.com, and have an awesome day.